Performance. Good morning, everyone. As a doctor who has worked with older adults for many years, let me start with a question that may grab your attention. Have you noticed your strength slowly slipping away after 60? Performance, even though you try to eat well and stay active. If so, you are not alone, and more importantly, this is not something you must accept as just aging. Muscle loss after 60, known medically as sarcopenia, can be slowed, performance stopped, and in many cases even reversed with the right daily choices. Today, I want to share one simple but powerful change you can make starting tomorrow morning. After the age of 60, performance, many people quietly accept the idea that losing muscle is a natural and unavoidable part of getting older. But from a medical standpoint, this belief is one of the most damaging myths in senior health. As a doctor, performance, I want to clearly state something that often surprises my patients. Aging itself does not cause muscles to disappear. Inactivity, poor nutrition, and lack of proper metabolic signals do. This distinction is critical. Performance, because it means muscle loss is not a life sentence. It is a condition that can be influenced, slowed, and in many cases reversed. If you have ever stood up from a chair and felt weaker than you used to, performance, or noticed everyday tasks requiring more effort, your body is not giving up. It is asking for the right support. Here is an important hook. Many people do not realize your muscles are biologically active tissue, and even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, they are constantly breaking down and rebuilding. The problem is that with age, the rebuilding process becomes less efficient unless it is strongly stimulated. This medical phenomenon, performance, known as anabolic resistance, does not mean your muscles cannot respond. It means they require a clearer, stronger signal. When that signal is missing, muscle mass slowly declines, leading to weakness, instability, and fatigue that many wrongly blame on aging itself. From a clinical perspective, muscle loss after 60 affects far more than physical strength. It directly impacts balance, coordination, metabolic health, performance, and even immune function. Reduced muscle mass is associated with higher blood sugar levels, slower recovery from illness, increased risk of falls, and loss of independence. Performance. I often remind my patients that muscle is not just for movement. It acts like a metabolic engine, helping regulate hormones and inflammation. When muscle weakens, the entire system becomes more vulnerable. Perform, which is why preserving muscle is one of the most powerful health strategies in later life. Another critical point that deserves attention is that muscle loss is often silent at first. You do not wake up one day suddenly weak. Performance happens gradually over years, often going unnoticed until daily activities become challenging. This is why early action matters. The sooner the body receives proper nutritional and physical signals, performance, the better it can protect and rebuild muscle tissue. Waiting until weakness becomes severe makes recovery more difficult, though never impossible. Performance. The encouraging medical reality is that research consistently shows older adults can gain muscle strength and mass when the right interventions are applied. Proper protein intake, particularly at key times of the day, performance, combined with even modest resistance or weight-bearing activity, can reactivate muscle-building pathways. I have seen patients in their late 60s and 70s regain strength they thought was lost forever. Performance. Not through extreme exercise or supplements, but through consistent, targeted lifestyle changes that work with the body's biology rather than against it. Perhaps the most powerful hook of all is this performance. And muscle preservation after 60 is not about looking fit. It is about protecting freedom, confidence, and quality of life. The ability to walk safely, rise from a chair, carry groceries, performance, and maintain balance is directly tied to muscle health. When patients understand that muscle loss is not an inevitable consequence of aging, but a modifiable condition, their entire outlook changes. Instead of fearing decline, performance, they begin to see aging as a phase that still allows strength, stability, and resilience when the body is given what it truly needs. As we move beyond the age of 60, performance. One of the most important yet overlooked changes in the body is how our muscles respond to food, particularly protein. Many older adults believe they are eating enough simply because their plate looks full. Performance. But from a medical perspective, quantity alone is not the issue, quality and timing are. Here is a critical hook to understanding. After 60, your muscles do not respond to protein the same way they did at 30 or 40. Performance. They require a stronger, more precise nutritional signal to activate muscle repair and growth, especially at the start of the day. Performance. This change occurs due to a well-documented physiological process in aging known as reduced muscle sensitivity to amino acids. In simple terms, performance, the muscle cells become less efficient at using dietary protein unless it is rich in essential amino acids, particularly leucine. This means that low-quality or highly processed breakfast foods, such as white bread, performance, sugary cereals, or tea with biscuits may fill the stomach but do almost nothing to protect muscle tissue. When this pattern repeats daily, muscle breakdown quietly outpaces muscle repair. Performance. Breakfast plays a uniquely powerful role in senior muscle health. After an overnight fast, the body is in a mildly catabolic state, meaning it is more prone to breaking down tissue for energy. Performance. If breakfast lacks adequate high-quality protein, the body continues to draw from muscle stores, reinforcing the cycle of weakness. Performance. A protein-rich breakfast sends a strong metabolic message that shifts the body from breakdown to rebuilding. This early signal can influence muscle metabolism for the entire day. Performance. Making breakfast one of the most strategic meals for adults over 60. Another key hook many people miss is that protein needs actually increase with age, not decrease. While appetite often declines, performance. The body's requirement for effective protein remains high because muscle repair becomes less efficient. From a clinical standpoint, spreading protein intake evenly across meals rather than consuming most of it at dinner, performance, produces better muscle outcomes in older adults. Breakfast is often the weakest link, and strengthening it can lead to noticeable improvements in energy, stability, and physical confidence within weeks. Performance. High-quality protein sources provide more than just building blocks for muscle. They help stabilize blood sugar, reduce excessive insulin spikes, and support hormone balance. Performance, all of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass. Seniors who start the day with adequate protein often report fewer cravings, better focus, and less fatigue by mid-morning. These effects are not psychological performance. They reflect improved metabolic efficiency and reduced muscle breakdown. From a medical perspective, ensuring sufficient protein intake is also about long-term protection. Inadequate protein accelerates frailty, performance, slows recovery from illness or surgery, and increases the risk of falls. When muscles lack the raw materials needed for repair, even minor health setbacks can lead to prolonged weakness. Performance. I often tell patients that protein is not a supplement, it is a therapeutic tool, as important as exercise for preserving strength. Perhaps the most compelling message is this: your muscles are still listening, even after 60. Performance. They respond when spoken to clearly through nutrition. By prioritizing high-quality protein, particularly at breakfast, you give your body the signal it needs to maintain strength, resilience, and independence. Performance. This is not about eating more. It is about eating smarter, with intention and in alignment with how the aging body truly works. When we discuss muscle preservation after the age of 60, performance, the conversation often becomes complicated with supplements, powders, and expensive interventions. Yet from a medical perspective, one of the most effective solutions is also one of the simplest: performance. Here is a powerful hook to consider: the right food can act like medicine when it delivers the exact biological signals your muscles need. Performance. Greek yogurt stands out in senior nutrition because it is uniquely designed by nature and processing to support aging muscle in a way that many other foods cannot. Performance. The primary reason Greek yogurt is so effective lies in its high concentration of leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a central role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. Performance. Leucine functions like an on switch for muscle repair. In older adults, this switch becomes harder to activate, which is why ordinary protein sources sometimes fail to produce results. Performance. Greek yogurt provides a dense and easily absorbable form of leucine, allowing aging muscle cells to recognize the signal and respond by rebuilding tissue rather than breaking it down. This is not theoretical science. Further, it is a mechanism supported by extensive clinical research. Another important hook is digestibility. Many seniors struggle with digestion, reduced stomach acid, or sensitivity to heavy foods, which limits how well nutrients are absorbed. Greek yogurt is partially fermented, making its protein easier to digest and its amino acids more readily available to muscle tissue. Performance. Unlike large portions of meat that may cause discomfort or poor absorption, Greek yogurt delivers high biological value protein without overburdening the digestive system. This makes it especially valuable for daily performance, consistent use rather than occasional intake. Greek yogurt also offers a strategic advantage in timing. Because it is easy to prepare and consume, it fits naturally into breakfast. Performance, the most critical meal for muscle signaling after an overnight fast. When consumed in the morning, it helps shift the body from a breakdown state to a rebuilding state. Performance, providing muscles with immediate access to the amino acids they need. This early intervention reduces muscle loss that would otherwise accumulate silently over time. Beyond protein and leucine, Greek yogurt supports the muscle. Performance. Bone connection, which is essential in older age. It is rich in calcium and often fortified with vitamin D, nutrients that strengthen bones and enhance muscle contraction efficiency. Weak bones and weak muscles frequently coexist, increasing the risk of falls and fractures. By supporting both systems simultaneously, Greek yogurt helps maintain stability, posture, and physical confidence, which are critical components of healthy aging. Another often overlooked benefit is metabolic support. Muscle tissue plays a key role in regulating blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Greek yogurt, performance with its high protein and low sugar content, when chosen correctly, helps stabilize blood glucose levels. This reduces inflammation and hormonal stress that can accelerate muscle breakdown. Performance. Patients who incorporate Greek yogurt regularly often experience improved energy and fewer fluctuations in appetite, which further supports consistent nutrition and physical activity. Performance. What makes Greek yogurt particularly powerful is not that it works overnight, but that it works reliably when used consistently. It does not rely on extreme dietary changes or aggressive supplementation. Instead, performance. It aligns with the body's natural biology, providing a steady, clear signal to preserve and rebuild muscle tissue. When seniors understand that such a simple, accessible food can have a measurable impact on strength, balance, performance, and independence, it transforms the way they view daily nutrition and empowers them to take control of their muscle health through informed, practical choices. Performance. One of the most underestimated truths in senior health is that muscle strength is not merely about appearance or physical performance, it is deeply connected to safety, independence, and quality of life. Performance. A powerful hook to consider is this: most falls in adults over 60 are not caused by slippery floors or bad luck, but by muscles that can no longer react fast enough to protect the body. From a medical perspective, adequate protein intake plays a direct and measurable role in maintaining the muscle function needed for balance, coordination, and confident movement. As muscle mass declines, performance, the body loses its ability to stabilize joints and control posture. Small corrective movements, such as adjusting your footing on uneven ground or standing up quickly from a chair, depend on strong, responsive muscles. Performance. When protein intake is insufficient, muscle fibers shrink and weaken, slowing reaction time and reducing strength. This creates a dangerous chain reaction. Weaker muscles lead to poor balance. Performance. Poor balance increases fear of movement, and fear of movement accelerates further muscle loss. Clinically, this cycle is one of the most common pathways toward loss of independence in older adults. Performance. Protein is essential not only for building muscle size, but also for maintaining muscle quality. Muscle quality refers to how efficiently muscle fibers contract, respond, and communicate with the nervous system. Performance. Adequate protein supports the repair of muscle fibers and the production of enzymes and structural proteins required for quick, controlled movement. Performance. Seniors who consume sufficient high-quality protein often show better gait speed, improved grip strength, and greater confidence while walking, all of which are strong predictors of long-term independence. Performance. Another critical hook many people overlook is that falls are not just physical events, they are life-changing medical incidents. A single fall can lead to fractures, hospitalization, prolonged bed rest, performance, and rapid muscle deterioration. From a doctor's perspective, preventing the first fall is far easier and far more effective than treating the consequences of one. Performance. Adequate protein intake strengthens the muscular framework that protects the body during daily activities, reducing the likelihood of falls before they happen. Protein also supports recovery and resilience. Performance. Even with good prevention, illness, minor injuries, or short periods of inactivity can occur. In individuals with low muscle reserves, these events often lead to significant weakness that is difficult to reverse. Performance. When protein intake is sufficient, the body is better equipped to repair muscle tissue and regain strength after setbacks. This resilience is a key factor in maintaining long-term mobility and avoiding permanent dependence on assistance. From a metabolic standpoint, stronger muscles help regulate blood sugar and reduce chronic inflammation. Performance. Both of which influence balance and nerve function. Poor blood sugar control and inflammation can impair sensation in the feet and legs, increasing the risk of missteps and instability. Performance. By supporting muscle health through adequate protein, the body maintains better neuromuscular coordination, allowing smoother and safer movement. Performance. Perhaps the most compelling clinical insight is that independence is built on thousands of small everyday movements. Standing up without assistance, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, performance, and walking outdoors all rely on muscle strength and balance working in harmony. Adequate protein intake helps preserve this harmony, allowing older adults to remain active participants in their own lives. Performance. When seniors understand that something as simple as consistent, sufficient protein can protect them from falls and preserve their independence, nutrition becomes more than a dietary choice. Performance, it becomes a foundational element of healthy aging. When discussing strength and mobility in later life, many people focus exclusively on muscles and overlook the silent partner that makes movement possible: bone health. Performance. A compelling hook from a medical perspective is this: muscles cannot function effectively without strong bones to anchor them, and bones weaken faster when muscles are neglected. Performance. Greek yogurt plays a uniquely important role because it delivers calcium and vitamin D together, two nutrients that work in close biological coordination to support both bone integrity and muscle performance. Performance. Calcium is the primary mineral responsible for bone density and structural strength. After the age of 60, the body becomes less efficient at absorbing calcium from food, while bone breakdown gradually accelerates. Performance. This imbalance increases the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, even from minor falls or sudden movements. Greek yogurt provides a concentrated and highly absorbable source of calcium that can help slow this process. Performance. Unlike supplements that may be inconsistently absorbed or poorly tolerated, calcium from dairy sources is supported by additional nutrients that enhance its uptake and effectiveness. Vitamin D is equally critical, yet commonly deficient in older adults due to reduced sun exposure and changes in skin synthesis. From a clinical standpoint, vitamin D acts as a gatekeeper for calcium absorption. Without adequate vitamin D, even a calcium-rich diet cannot effectively strengthen bones. Greek yogurt that is fortified with vitamin D helps ensure that calcium is properly utilized rather than wasted. Performance. This pairing is essential for maintaining bone density and reducing fracture risk as the years progress. The connection between bone health and muscle function is deeper than many realize. Performance. Calcium plays a vital role in muscle contraction, allowing muscle fibers to generate force and respond quickly to signals from the nervous system. When calcium levels are inadequate, muscles may weaken, fatigue more easily, performance, or respond more slowly, increasing the risk of instability. Strong bones and properly functioning muscles form a protective system that supports posture, balance, and controlled movement. Performance. Another important hook is that bone loss often occurs silently, without pain or warning until a fracture happens. From a doctor's perspective, fractures in older adults are not minor injuries. Performance, and they're major medical events that can trigger rapid muscle loss, prolonged immobility, and long-term disability. Performance. Supporting bone health through adequate calcium and vitamin D intake is a preventive strategy that protects not just skeletal structure, but overall physical independence. Performance. Greek yogurt also supports hormonal and metabolic pathways that influence bone and muscle maintenance. Adequate protein intake enhances calcium absorption and stimulates hormones involved in bone remodeling. Performance. This creates a supportive internal environment where bones are continually repaired and strengthened rather than slowly deteriorating. The combination of protein, calcium, performance, and vitamin D in one food makes Greek yogurt particularly effective for daily use in older adults. From a practical clinical viewpoint, consistency matters more than intensity. Small performance, regular contributions of calcium and vitamin D through food are often more effective than occasional high-dose supplements. Greek yogurt is easy to include in daily meals, performance, making it a sustainable habit rather than a short-term intervention. When seniors regularly provide their bodies with these essential nutrients, performance, they reinforce the foundation that allows muscles to function properly and movement to remain safe and confident. Performance. This integrated support of bones and muscles is one of the most powerful yet overlooked strategies for maintaining strength, stability, and physical resilience with advancing age.